3, go.
Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make Christmas cookies.
By the way,
my name is Miel. My name is Maxine. My name is Jessica.
And this one?
Kaya.
Okay.
You have a new visitor.
Okay, then Ate beat that egg. And then Maxine on that.
I'm really scared.
Rowie, hulungan mo siya.
I'm really scared. You want to hear?
Tayo ka, tayo.
How we do this?
Kailangan hanggang sa maging fluffy yan. Beat. Ate, ibit mong mabuti ha. Go. What is the name of your visitor?
Our names of our visitors, Kaya.
And one. And the other girl.
It is Ate Lowie.
Ayan ate. Miel, isalin mo na yung egg dun kay Ro. Makalat. Hindi pala na ano. Guys.
It's just me, Maxine. Mixing.
Keep.
More, a lot.
Oh, lahat yan. Isalin mo, Jessica.
Jessica, I think you're doing it wrong.
Okay. You help Miel.
Come on, let me help you.
Sige lang, hayaan mo siya. Oh, sige.
There, that's good.
Oh, i-help mo si Jessica. Si Maxine. Si Maxine, i-help mo. Wag pa ganyan, wag pa halo. Pa-up.
Oh, I think I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Dahan-dahan lang,
I
ha.
got it.
You get 1 spoon there para makahalo.
Saan ito?
Yung pwede, yung kagaya ng kay Maxine.
Saan?
Sa kusina.
Okay. Okay, find it. It looks like filling a sandwich. I feel like this looks like a sandwich.
Wala dyan. Yung kahoy, anak. Meron dyan sa ilalim yung kahoy. Oo, dyan. Done?
I can't find it. Oh my gosh.
Time to mix. Buo ba yung kamay nyo? Mix, hindi ganyan. Dinudurog nyo pa rin eh. Hindi pa durog.
Mixing it like this? Like mine?
Kumuha ka ng sayo at kumuha ka ng hatiin niya sa 3.
That's yours. That's mine. This is mine. Oh no.
Hindi, pa-mix. Sige. I-ano mo. Mas.
Like this?
Oo. Wag durugin, anak. Pababa, paikot, gawin yung bilog. Ibaba nyo sa table. O, yan. Ganyan. Yan. Very good, Jessica. Very good, Maxine. Very good, ate.
Hey, Miel.
Ate Miel.
No,
Ate Jessica. Ate Maxine.
That makes you one.
Okay. Then
what?
Then, get the rolling pin.
Yay! Nothing go first to whirl because she got it first. So, and then Jessica will be second.
Careful your hands sa mahiwa dyan sa ano. Rowie, baliktad mo nga yung ano, yung foil. Yung foil, ibaliktad mo. Ano mo. Yung kay Maxine nang iibabaw.
Next, we're gonna put the colors in here.
Wag sa gitna, sa gilid. Para marami kayong magawa.
Like mine?
Oo. Oh.
I have tried.
Yung, ganun no, yung ginagawa ni Maxine.
Crayo.
Isa lang ba sa'yo ang korte? Asa pa yung iba mo? Mamaya mo na tanggalin. Lagay mo muna yung iba. Asa pa yung iba?
Can you put in the middle?
Yeah, lahat. Lahat ng pwedeng paglagyan.
I will make this. I will make no more space.
Sige, mamaya natin na ayusin. Oh. Yung maliit, yung pwede nyong ipasok dyan. Yan.
Next, here's our cookie.
Oh. Okay, done. Oh, then try.
Taste test.
Doon ka, Miel. Hindi makita. Taste it. Go, hurry up. Maxine, taste it. Oh, what? What did you say? Good. Good. How about you?
Good one.
Good one. Mmm. Yummy. How about you? Ano kinakain nun?
Hot dog.
Dan? May I?
Some.
Can I?
Patigay mo kasi.
Crunchy.
Kids, you want some?
Kids, you want some? Crunchy. Perfect cookies. Is that perfect cookies, Jessica?
What do
You
you
like
think?
it?
What do you think? Comment down below.
Oh my god.
And you can not subscribe below. You need to thumbs up and down below. Share, subscribe, and turn over. Watch our videos. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.